Today I am going to open this beauty blind box. Let's see what is inside this box. Opening the box and see the first content. The first content of this box is beautiful leather bag from Color Key. Okay, let's open this bag. And here is the makeup brushes. One, two, three of them. There are total eight makeup brushes. The fur feels so comfortable. The second item of this box is anti-darkness black milk, which is necessary during the day. The one main refreshing. You can applying it all over the body. It is really light and thin. The third item is a facial cleanser. It is suitable for dry skin also. Continue to see the hair care essential oil. This hair essential oil is so cute. It is quite convenient to carry. This has two capsules. One is for moisturizing and other is for repairing. Fold in a half. Use both together. The fifth one is here. This is a hydrating mask. I don't know if there will be a miracle by using it. There are 5 pieces in total. The texture of this mask is really good. It is also mainly for the hydrating and repairing. Bye bye.